In other news, amid the massive uproar over the Aravalli Hills, the Supreme Court of India has taken suo motu cognizance over recent changes in the definition of the Aravalli Hills. You see, this move comes after widespread fears that the revised definition could open the door to unchecked mining and cause serious environmental damage in one of India's oldest and most important mountain ranges. The matter will be heard today by a 3-judge bench headed by our Chief Justice of India, Surya Kant, along with Justices J.K. Maheshwari and A.G. Masi. The court basically will examine issues related to mining activities in the Aravalli region and their impact on the environment. Meanwhile, the central government has directed all state governments to completely stop issuing new mining leases across the entire Aravalli region, and this ban applies uniformly, and it's meant to preserve the geological continuity and ecological health of the hills.
क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल है कांग्रेस के चरित्र का नॉन इशू को इशू बनाने का। न्यायालय ने जो नहीं कहा वो न्यायालय के मुंह में थोपने की कोशिश की गई। जो कहा उसका प्रभाव क्या होगा उसको एंटिसिपेट करके और राई का पहाड़ बनाने की कोशिश की गई। जो प्रभाव नहीं होंगे उन प्रभावों के आधार पर एक झूठ खड़ा करने की कोशिश की गई।
Meanwhile, the central government, as I mentioned, has directed all state governments to completely stop issuing new mining leases across the entire region. And this ban applies uniformly, and it's meant to preserve the geological continuity. Earlier, Bhupendra Yadav, our Union Environment Minister, spoke to NDTV. Listen in to what he said.
सर, बहुत ही बेसिक सवाल है कि 100 मीटर का एलिवेशन बेस्ड डेफिनेशन जो है, इसको क्वांटिफाई करने की ज़रूरत क्यों पड़ी? क्योंकि ऑपोजिशन एंड क्रिटिक्स का कहना ये है कि वी डोंट नो व्हाट इज़ गोइंग टू हैपन टू ऑल दोज माउंटेन्स, दोज हिलॉक्स, दोज हिल्स विच आर लेस देन 100 मीटर्स, और दैट इज़ अ ह्यूज पोर्शन ऑफ अरावलीज, एंड दैट मीन्स डाइल्यूशन ऑफ कंजर्वेशन नॉर्म्स।
राजस्थान में अशोक गहलोत जी की जब सरकार थी तो अरावली में बहुत इलीगल माइनिंग हो रही थी। अरावली में लगभग 1008 के करीब लीज माइन दी गई हैं, जिसमें से 700 अशोक गहलोत जी के समय में दी गई हैं। ये जो रैम्पेट माइनिंग एक्टिविटी होने लगी, उस समय कुछ लोगों ने पिटीशन सुप्रीम कोर्ट में डाली जी कि आप इलीगल माइनिंग को किस प्रकार से अलाउ कर सकते हैं, ऐसे तो अरावली ख़त्म हो जाएगा जी। ये पिटीशन लंबे समय तक कोर्ट में चलती रही। कोर्ट ने कमेटी अपॉइंट करी। उस कमेटी में मिनिस्ट्री के सेक्रेटरी को रखा, एनवायरनमेंट मिनिस्ट्री के, फॉरेस्ट सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया FSI को रखा, जियोलॉजिकल सर्वे ऑफ इंडिया को रखा। उनके साथ कोर्ट की जो अपनी कमेटी है, सेंटर एम्पावरमेंट कमेटी, उसके उनके रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को रखा, और चारों राज्यों के प्रतिनिधियों को रखा, क्योंकि दिल्ली से लेकर गुजरात तक 4 राज्यों में अरावली का क्षेत्र फैला हुआ है। तो कोर्ट का ये कहना था कि भाई अगर आप माइनिंग के लिए कोई जगह देते हैं तो माइनिंग के पर्पस से एक डेफिनेशन होनी चाहिए जी। माइनिंग की डेफिनेशन में किसी पर्वत को कैसे पहचानोगे? दुनिया भर में जो जियोलॉजी के एक्सपर्ट्स हैं, उनकी जो बेसिस है उसमें 100 मीटर है, जो एक स्टैंडर्ड माना जाता है। 50 मतलब कोई कह रहा है 50 नहीं है, कोई कह रहा है 30 नहीं है, 100 को एक स्टैंडर्ड माना जाता है जो पर्वत चोटी कहलाएगी। उसमें टॉप से लेकर और वो जो लैंड फॉर्मेशन है उसका जो सबसे लोएस्ट एरिया होगा वो पूरा एरिया पर्वत होगा, वो पूरा एरिया पर्वत होगा। तो एक है अरावली और एक है अरावली रेंज। फिर रेंज क्या होगी? हम देखते हैं एक पर्वत के बीच के बाद हम एक दूसरा पर्वत देखते हैं जी। तो आधा किलोमीटर तक अगर दूसरी चोटी है तो दोनों के बीच में जो जमीन है, मतलब जो धरातल है जी, उसमें छोटी पड़िया, वो भी उसका रेंज कहलाएगी। जो रिजेस आ गए वो भी सब कुछ रेंज है। हाँ। तो ये अरावली और अरावली रेंज, तो इसमें लोग खाली पर्वत को कह रहे हैं, पर पर्वत रेंज है। तो रेंज आने से कंटिन्यूटी हो जाती है।
My colleague Tejashree Purandare tracking the latest developments. She joins us live with further clarity at this point. Tejashree, the Supreme Court has taken suo motu cognizance of the Hills verdict. What time is the CGI-led bench expected to address the matter today, though?
Well, absolutely. As you rightly pointed out, the vacation bench of the Supreme Court will be hearing the matters on the Aravali Hills today, and it's expected that around 10:30 first the hearing of Unnao rape case is likely to take place in the Supreme Court, and post that the Supreme Court will be hearing the Aravali Hills matter. Now, one by one, we'll be showing you the visuals that how the security has been beefed up outside the Supreme Court just ahead of the two very important hearings. Here, you can see in the visuals that how the security has been beefed up ahead of the two important hearings. One is the Aravali Hills and second is the Unnao rape case. Remember that also, in fact, the three-judge bench, that is Justice Suryakant, Justice J.K. Maheshwari and Justice Augustine George. These are the judges who will be hearing the matter of the Aravali Hills, and also, in fact, on that gate as well, the security has been beefed up, keeping in mind the sensitivity of the how much the issue sensitive the issue is. Number one, the Unnao rape case, and also, in fact, the Aravali Hills as well, because we have been seeing that how the protesters were pouring in as far as the new definition of Aravali Hills was concerned. Remember that the Aravali Hills, that also includes the national capital, Gujarat, Rajasthan, Haryana. At all these places, the protesters, environmentalists, in fact, the general public also, in fact, were coming out in protest, joining the protesters, saying that there was no public consultation taken, there is no scientific assessment so as to the new definition that's been given by the government, by the committee that was formed by the Ministry of Environment, and then submitted to the Supreme Court, and then Supreme Court accepted this particular new definition. We'll keep on showing you the visuals as well now outside the Supreme Court, where you can see that heavy police deployment has been made over here, because now at any point of after 10 o'clock, in fact, there will be, in fact, all those individuals related to this particular case will start coming, and perhaps keeping in mind again that how important both of these issues are, the matter will be heard in the court. What we are getting to know that at around 10:30 the first hearing on Unnao, and post that the second hearing on Aravali Hills. Remember that it was in November when the court accepted the expert committee's definition of Aravali Hills and ranges. That was in the context of mining as landform located in the Aravali Hills having an elevation of 100 meter or more. It was measured from the local relief. Aravali range has been, defined as two or more Aravali Hills located within the 500 meters from each other. And in fact, that is why, remember that there has been a lot of anger amongst the people, because they have been, saying that the new definition will open the doors for mining, for construction. But remember that the government has already, as of now, after this, anger has put a ban on providing new lease for the mining. Needs to be seen that what happens today in the court. We'll track all the development inside and outside court as well. Back to you.
And we'll continue to revert to you for the same. Thanks so much as always, Tejashree.